hello, welcome back to International Finance Interview, and you're with me again, Quang. Right now, I have an honor to have Mr. Tuan, the CEO from Phu Yen TTP. Thank you very much for being here with us.
Thank you very much.
All right, so and before we are going to ask you some questions, firstly, we would like to congratulate with your award winning of the Best Solar Power Project Developer Vietnam 2019.
Yes, it's our great honor to receive the award from organizations, and this is what we've been achieved for the whole last 2 years. We got the best power solar plant project in Vietnam in 2019. Yeah, and together with our in-house team, we built in very short time, 180 days. For the biggest solar project, single scale project in Vietnam.
The first question that we'd like to ask you, how does B.Grimm Power plan to achieve its target of 5,000 megawatt installed capacity across the ASEAN region by 2022?
Well, that is a very hard question. That everybody can imagine that 5,000 megawatt is very big number. As a B.Grimm Group, we carry on a traditional of 142 years, and beside that, also we do the business with compassions. That for make the benefit for all our stakes, shareholder, our business partner, and our societies. And also we B.Grimm Power with 24 years, we put already operation in the power. That until today we have 46 projects that is with a total of 2,896 megawatt capacity put on the operation. Yes, and 70 of them are based on a gas fire. Yep, and 30 of them on the renewable energy. Yep. So further than that, we already put some project under developing and due diligence, and our capacity until 2025 is 3,424 megawatt. That is make sure that to make sure that we can secure 5,000 megawatt capacity by 2022. Sorry. Yep. So we've been studying and conducting due diligence through many projects and number of countries over the world, such as like Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Philippines, Korea, and Vietnam. And many of them are finalizing now, and especially some project we believe that we can make it in this year.
For the second question, Mr. Tuan, B.Grimm Power develops the power plants across a variety of energy sources. How does the company maintain this flexibility?
Well, B.Grimm already put an operation in Vietnam since 1993, and from that day until now, we already have 3 projects in Vietnam. That's right now we hold 677 megawatt under operating now. Outside that, B.Grimm also want to do more and more business in over the world. Especially, we focus more on LNG for wind projects, solar, and so on. Yep.
Wow, congratulations again. And the next question. So we would like to know, how will the recently acquired Phu Yen project strengthen B.Grimm's renewable energy portfolio, and together with how will the Phu Yen project bolster B.Grimm's presence in Vietnam?
Yes.
Share about that.
Yeah. Actually, Phu Yen solar project is 257 megawatt. It's the biggest solar scale in Vietnam right now, and we did it with a very short time, 180 days. Together with our mother company, B.Grimm Power, and we achieved with our in-house team, together with EPTC from Sansi. Yep. So we have very tight timings. However, with all the support from B.Grimm Power and our partner, like Pori for the OE, and for the construction company, EPC company, and many support from Vietnam and Thailand government. So we get it. Yep.
All right, so thank you very much again, and we hope that in the future we can work together.
Yes.
And we wish you all the best for your business.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yes.